Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop. Welcome back to my channel. And it's been a while since I've done a gardening video. So today I'm transplanting some pineapple plants that I've been rooting in a cup with rainwater. And so basically, after I harvest my pineapples, I twist off the tops and set them inside of cups like this with rainwater until they produce roots. I have other videos on there to show you how to peel the bottom leaves off until you expose the roots. And when they're about like 1 to 2 inches long, that's when you transplant them. And as you can see, I've already done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's going to be 8, 9. In actuality, that one, this one, that one, and this one right there was already in pots, but they were in small pots like these right there. And so basically what I do is I space them about a foot apart from each other, and as you can see, I got my row set up like offset, so like this one falls right in between that one. Gives it a chance to, so when they get big like these, they'll have space for leaves to go ahead and, you know, go in that area. So what I do is I dig the hole, and then I put down some compost, my organic compost that I make, which is right there. See the holes right there? And then make a little hole right in the middle. Take your pineapple plant, set it right there like that, and then you just come in and fill it in with dirt on the sides like this, and make sure it's that it's, you know, upright. And then you kind of make like a little, you know, angle up here like that, so it's like, you know, it's nice and so when it rains, it just helps retain the rainwater right there. All right, and like I said, take the plant, stick it in the hole like that. It's kind of hard to do with 2 hands, but oh, there we go. Push the dirt back in like this, and then, like I said, make like a little cove so that water will naturally, you know, go down to it. Look at me sweating my butt off over here, even though I got a bandana on, but sweat's just dripping off my foot because it's still in the 90s and humidity is still ridiculous. But that's it. Just plant them down like that, and as you can see, they're all lined up nice. Let me back it up so you can see. And then they are right there. Left the wheelbarrow out. Had a downpour yesterday, caught me some water, so I'm going to use this to water them. But I also use the leftover water that's in the cup. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notifications up and coming videos. Alright guys, thanks. Catch you on the next one.